Hi guys, so we're late. Our class starts at 5:30, but it's already 6. Kaya nagpalit pa mig dinner. We're supposed to eat ng dinner dito sa Bonneville. Kaso, 6 naman siya natapos, so late na us. Sige, take out na mo. Bye! Hi! Guys! Excuse me guard, pwede magpasuan. Thank you. Yang ako, asa dapit? Unsa nga floor? Unsa nga room? Good evening, sir. This is a story of This is us after a TikTok session.